Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I am going to be showing you how to make a loading screen in Roblox Studio. But also guys, quick step up right here guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do the basics like always. Make sure your toolbox and your Explorer and properties are always open. To turn that on, just click on view, and Explorer and properties are going to be right here, and the toolbox is going to be right there. See, you can turn it off and turn it back on. So you make sure these three things are on. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a loading screen today in 2024 to 2025. So let's get this started. Also guys, before we get started here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, because that really helps a lot to improve my games more. Also guys, my new I think it's called Zach's Gaming Plaza, is now on public. I will put my game in the description so you guys can actually check it out. But here goes nothing. We're going to start making the loading screen here. But now here we go. So I did put the loading screen model inside the description. So I'm just going to show you here. So if you click this and you hit OK, you don't have to hit that because I also told you what scripts it comes with. So just hit OK. Then you see the loading script, right guys? Right here. You click this and you see loading script. What you do next is you see the loading script, right? Now what you do is you drag this into replicated first. So make sure it's all nice and working. Then what you do is you open this. Anytime you want to change the text to the frame, just go to frame here and go to text label here. Then what you do is you go all the way down here and you see this, right? You see how it says best gaming, right? Well, you could change the rich text if you want. This is like basically the text color. So if you guys were to take the rich text, well, if you turn it off basically, and if you see text color 3, if you click on that, you can make it any color you want. Let's make it like a nice looking green here. I could turn that in there. Then what you do is you change the text to whatever you want to make it as. Let's see, let's do actually is you grab let's see, what if I name this gaming world? I can name it that. And then also, before you go and test it, because it's not going to work as it should sometimes, so make sure you go to local on the script to game name, and it says best game. So make sure you name that to, you X all that out, and then you put gaming world like you did on the text. But make sure you don't hit enter, because that can happen a lot, which I do that as mistakes, so I hope you guys don't get mad at that. But yeah, and then you put in replicate storage, you close everything up actually, make sure everything's closed up. Then what you do next is you hit play here, and now it should work. Look at that. We got gaming world and it's green text, and we're in the game. You guys saw the loading screen, right? That's how you all make a loading screen on Roblox 2024 to 2025. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but yeah, that's how you make a loading screen on Roblox on 2025 here. Also guys, I will put my new game inside the description if you guys want to check it out. It's called Zach's Gaming Plaza. If you can't click on the link through the description, just type in Zach's Gaming Plaza with a comma on top with the S at Zach's. Make sure the Z is capital, the gaming G on the letter G is capital, and then you put Plaza for a capital P. And Plaza is spelled on my end, it's spelled Plaza. That's how you spell Plaza. Then once you type that in, my game should surely pop up. Or if you can't find it there, then go to my profile that I linked inside the description of this video, and then click on my creations and it should be there. Also guys, I hope you enjoy the content. Again, it's your boy Zachary Shorts 123, and have a nice day everyone. Bye.